Buongiorno. You're watching the Computer Programming University, and we are talking about how to get out of your programming slump by coding in the wild. So, what am I talking about? Well, this is the wild. This is nature. I am outdoors in a beautiful environment, and I am not outdoors to hang around and look at the flowers and go for a jog. I am coding. I'm coding mobile. I have my Asus i3 laptop set up. That's all I need. Very small, compact. I can carry this around anywhere with me so that I can code anywhere, anytime. I'm actually shooting this video live right now with the new Samsung Galaxy S8. Link in the description to get yours. An awesome smartphone allowing me to do this and much more. But this is my setup. Now there's a bench right here, but I'm set up here because I like to be standing when I'm working. There's a lot of scientific evidence towards the advantages of standing versus sitting. Now, I need to get a glare and the anti-glare from my screen here, as you can see. But there is my code that I'm working on. But there's a huge difference between standing versus sitting. When you're sitting, and actually let's sit down as I say that to you. Let's flip this around. So when you're sitting down, a lot of things, you can actually do the research. A lot of things happen in terms of your body that are actually negative things. There's issues with your back. There are issues in terms of your energy state and creativity levels. Basically, sitting down, lying down is sort of signaling to your body to sort of shut down, relax, and that's not what you want. You don't want to shut down if you're trying to write a code, right? You want to be started up, right? You want to be energized, you want to be motivated, you want to be creatively inspired, and in order to do that, you got to get your energy up, right? So it's good to exercise. Exercise is good, but additionally, working from a standing position, getting a standing desk or something like that, is definitely something that is advantageous, which is why I do this. I could easily be sitting down. There's a bench, like I said, right there, but you know, it's much better to me to be in a standing position. Keeps me more alert, more creative, keeps my energy up, and puts me in a position where I need to be to get it done. Unfortunately, you have to deal with things like little critters that get on your bag. So if you're opposed to running into nature that moves like that, this may not be for you. But I think it's really good to get outside for whatever reason. Get outside to exercise, walk around. And the idea of coding on the outside, I mean, try it. If you haven't done it before, try it. Obviously, get a laptop that's better for glare. I'm going to get a glare screen for this, but there's laptops that come with its own built-in glare protection. So get something like that. But working outside is awesome. As opposed to sometimes you guys, you know, you're inside, you get into a routine, and it can get you know, it's a negative energy state. You know, sitting down, same environment all the time. You know, get up, get out, get active. You know, stand up, into, being sort of a command posture. No one commands from their chair. Get up, stand up. I sound like I'm talking about was it Bob Marley or something? Get up, stand up for your right. No, but seriously, get out there, get outside, enjoy nature. It's a beautiful time of year, and see if it helps your coding. If you guys have been working on stuff and you've been getting stuck, just your motivation levels aren't where you want them to be, or whatever the issues are, creatively things are not working the way you want them to work, try it. Get a laptop, get outside, code in the wild. This has been a Computer Programming University live stream. Thank you for joining in and listening in. Go ahead and click on that like button, everyone. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button for awesome content. Here we do a lot of we're going to be doing a lot of things like SQL, shell scripting, Python, stuff like that. So stay tuned for more. And again, this was shot with the Samsung Galaxy S8, the new flagship phone from Samsung, and you can get yours by clicking on the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.